Oh,
Hello.
where have you been?
I just got one text from you. Hurry up. That was it.
Oh, and give us your driver's license. Now it's been raining a lot, hasn't it?
Yeah. Well, luckily it stopped. It's still the same distance though. Quite wet. Where is it?
What, sorry?
It's gonna be still double distance, yeah?
Well, about 3 or 4 seconds. So now when you get in the car with the examiner,
Yeah.
put the license in there. Like,
No nonsense opinion.
Where?
in there.
Okay.
Okay, don't lose, just stick it in there. This is my main man, Salman, testing how many? In just under an hour's time.
Yeah.
First attempt, he's going to crush it on you.
Yeah, open so.
Yeah.
Feeling positive.
Good, right, when you're ready then. Have any questions before we start?
Yeah, I've got a few to ask before we move off.
Yeah. Damn.
Okay.
What's your first question?
So I was watching your video of the A1M route.
You'll not go there.
A1M route.
Yes.
Okay. Well, anyways, you
Yes.
emphasized that there are some exits straight ahead that are after 12 o'clock. So they look like this.
So, no, it's 12 o'clock pointing to 1 o'clock, so you class it as straight ahead.
Okay.
You got that?
Alright.
So you don't use the right lane.
And then last time you said there should be a gap in both lanes when you're moving into a roundabout.
Moving it
Say
round.
there's 2 lanes on the
Yeah,
roundabout.
oh, on the roundabout, yes. Yeah.
So I should wait until both lanes give me a gap.
Yes. More or less. So let's have a look at
In your video, you moved off as soon as the car passed you.
Yeah, I don't mess about. Right. So if you're there
Yeah.
and you see a car come round here
Hmm.
and there's a car indicating left, you pull out.
No.
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 So if there's a car over here,
Hmm.
you're over here and there's a car in both lanes there, guess what I tell you to do?
Pull out.
Right.
Okay. And then hatch markings, if they're, can I pull up on them?
Pull up on them. We won't be able to pull up on them because they're not next to the curbs.
But what about like similar markings?
Oh,
that are next to
sometimes-
the curb, yeah.
Sometimes, yeah, you've got a few dotted.
Yeah.
Sometimes see, but
Yeah.
just driving them. Yeah,
Okay.
don't worry about them.
Okay, and then the last one is like, will the examiner possibly ask me to open the bonnet?
Yes.
Okay, so we gotta see that when we get there.
Yeah, you all worry about the bonnet. Right, when you're ready. Oh, I had Reza pass this morning.
Okay, that's good.
One minor. That was second go though.
Yeah.
Got one minor full for driving into the pier. Who knows you got your driving testing?
It's my mom.
Did she? Did you wish you good luck?
Yeah. Prayed as well.
Did she? Wow.
Let's see, that gives me the lucky strike.
You know to open and close your window, don't you?
Yeah. Is park in the back?
No, we're going in the test centre now.
Yeah.
To the next right. Reverse in between them 2 cars, yeah?
That one?
Yeah, turn right. I'll be putting an indicator on if I was you. Right, now reverse in between them 2 cars. Make it look good because they're all watching you.
Okay. That's a bit of pressure there. Got it.
Over your left shoulder a bit also.
Yeah.
I wish your driving forwards was as good as your beer parking, yeah? We would be passing easy, yeah?
Okay.
Right.
Is it time?
Hmm?
Have time to use the restroom real quick?
Yeah. It's time to wish Salman the very best of luck.
Yeah.
The hour before has been putting signals on too early. What else was there?
Hesitating.
Slight hesitation, but nothing to worry about there. And what was the other one? Serious fault? Dude.
Yeah.
Traffic lights is on amber. He's gone a full car length over the amber light and stopped. You should have just kept going because there was a car behind you.
Yeah.
But if you're back in, you can stop. You stop. But once you cross the white line,
Yeah.
keep it moving. Right, go on then. Have you got your license?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Did you pray?
Huh?
Did your mum pray for you?
Yeah.
Good. I hope it was going to work then.
Yeah.
Right. Jump out. Just go up the stairs, yeah.
Okay.
You shut the
coming
door.
along?
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. Well, we're back off test here with this amazing Salman. Tell him what you've done.
Tested.
How many faults?
Got none. 0 faults. And Ken doesn't believe it. Because
Oh, I believe it. Well done.
Yeah.
What was the exam like? Was you okay?
yeah, he was okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
What manoeuvre did you get?
Parallel park.
Did you?
And
Oh, you're good at that, aren't you?
you know where we got that? Exactly where you did it. Like, exactly there. There was a bit of sun glare though, but
Was there?
I managed to.
Wow, I don't know how he's done that. No faults. Didn't threaten him, did you?
Yeah.
Well done. Was it hard then or easy or what?
The route was like not easy
Hmm?
because they had a lot of roundabouts, one after the other.
One
So I
after
think
the
it
other.
had all the roundabouts which we did. I think.
So there's a lot of roundabouts on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, well done. Well, your mum's done well praying for you, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you confident?
I was confident, but I was also, I don't know, like, there were a couple of moments where I thought I'd gotten at least a minor. Like, for instance, when I was parallel parking, I was just about to start, and this lady was walking her dog, coming towards me.
Yeah.
And I remembered you like told me to stop one time.
Yeah.
So, but then she just stopped while the dog pooped or something, and then I was
Yeah.
like, well, I have to go now. So
So you just got on
did
with
it.
it.
Yeah.
Well done. So parallel park, did you do the emergency stop?
No.
What happened with the water?
He told me you can just stop before the water. Yeah. So he was giving me a good comfortable start, but then he went quiet.
Yeah. I wouldn't have told you about the water if I was doing a mock test.
Yeah.
I'd have just let you go through
Yeah.
and feel you.
Yeah. Well, I know you would have. But that's what works though.
Yeah.
Failed me in those mock tests.
Yeah.
Shamed me.
I'll be able to put this on.
Yeah.
Salman'S smashes mock test. Clean sheet. Wow. Well done. That's an amazing achievement, isn't it?
Yeah. Unbelievable.
I bet you're a happy chappy, are you?
Yeah, I am. I mean, when he told me, he was quite like, he just told me quite normally. He was like,
Yeah.
0 faults, great driver, but and I was like, what? And he must have been like, what's up with this guy? Calm down.
I didn't see you come back, that's why I ran over for.
Yeah, he said Ken usually comes back down, but then I'll just give you the result anyway.
I didn't see you come in.